houses that I buy, nobody would want to live in. Like,
Mhm.
thank goodness I'm coming to take care of this mess for the entire neighborhood. So you get it at a discount, and you put a concept together, because that's really all you can do. You make your scope of work and you hope it goes as close to that as possible. And I have learned that that's very hard. But as I grow and get better, and I have my team, I make more educated decisions, and it's been a bit better. But I'll come in, and most of my projects have averaged between like 50K to 70K remodels. We do a bit more extensive. And I don't do low level flips. I'm very proud of my product, and the business partner I have, Shannon, he is a phenomenal artist. What he can do with his hands and construction is just amazing.
Wow.
So we teamed up, and we don't use laminate countertops. We don't use cheap LV like T flooring. We really come to the table with nice stuff, brand new appliances, brand new cabinets for the most time. Like we don't really just paint over cabinets.